Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be fixing the water meter again. Luckily it was on the city side, so I don't have to do anything. So I was walking to the mailbox, and as I walked past the water meter I hear a hissing sound. So I stopped to check it out, and I see water is pooling inside the water meter box. I called up the city and got a quick response, and they came out the next day. Heard a weird popping sound coming from this, and now it won't fill up. Yeah, so this is not working. We're gonna have to replace it. All right, just got back from Home Depot. This is what we are going to be replacing it with. So the tools you need is that, something to catch the water, and a wrench possibly. So the first thing we're gonna do is shut off the water. We are going to shut off the water, flush the toilet, and then disconnect that. All right, so I got something bigger, and now what I am going to do is test to see if water is coming out of this line. No water is coming out of the line, so replacing the fill valve will not solve the issue. All right, so I disconnected the hose, and you might be able to see that it's pretty clogged in there. And so I'm gonna flush out the line. I already kind of did it, but just gonna show y'all. So water is getting through. It just wasn't making it through the lines. So now I have to go back and go get some new lines. All right, just got back from Home Depot again. Went to go pick up a new line. I'll install it and check back in with y'all. All right, so that should be good. Alright, so the tank is filling back up. That means it's fixed.
And that's how I do it. That's how I do it. And that's how I do it. And that's how it's done. That's how I do it. That's how I do it. And that's how I do it. And that's how it's done.
Alright, turned on the water. The tank is starting to fill up. So that solves the issue. I do not need to replace this. So I would have to return the items I bought. And unfortunately, this happened to the other toilet also. So I gotta go repeat this process again. So thank you for watching. See you on the next one.